Welcome back. If you already have existing documents that are indicative of how you're going to write and or speak, you can use those documents to help train Dragon. Now you'll want to make sure that these documents are closed, and what you're going to do is if you're going to use the Dragon engine in order to execute this and this green button is on, you would use the phrase adapt to writing style. However, we're still working with Dragon before we actually dictate, and so we're going to use our mouse for this function. And to do that, we're going to go to the vocabulary link. We're then going to click Learn from Specific Documents. We're going to leave the default settings the way they are, and we're then going to click Next. What we're going to do is we're going to add in these documents to the folder. And then the documents will be added to this dialog box. Now you'll want to note that you can also add in Google Docs if you have documents that are indicative of how you're going to write and speak. In order to do that, you're going to need to sign in to your Google account. You're then going to sign in. You're going to allow Dragon Naturally Speaking to view the files in your Google Drive, and you'll click Allow. You'll choose your document, then you'll click OK. If you decide there's a document that you don't want to use, you can hover over it, and then you can click Remove Document. What we're going to do now is click Next. Dragon will then begin the analysis. Then Dragon will complete its analysis. You'll then click Next. And it will determine which words should be added to the vocabulary. You'll then check those words and then click Next. You'll then get Dragon to train those words. When you do that, you'll then click the word Train. And what you'll do is you'll click the word Train and then you'll speak the word so that Dragon will then be trained on that word. AWeber, get response. Dragon will then update your writing style as well as the new words. Once the adaptation is complete, you'll then click Next. What you'll do then is you'll then click Finish to close the wizard. Now, the more information that you feed Dragon, such as adding documents, you will be able to train the system to understand you better. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.